What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, but I've been busy. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best fish sandwich you've ever had at home, hot, fresh, and crispy. Okay, so we're going to be go ahead and using 2 pieces of wild caught cod fish. You could use some other fish. I'm not really sure how it would go. I mean, you could use flounder for sure, but I am using cod. So let's go ahead and season our fish up really well with some Old Bay. You already know, you gotta use some Old Bay on there. And then let's get some garlic, my favorite. I have to have garlic on anything I eat. I don't know, it's just me. And you're gonna need some onion powder. This is very essential for this recipe. That's what's gonna give it that taste. Oh, and some black pepper. I don't know why I didn't show it to y'all. And then you want to go ahead and get you some lemon pepper. This is some lemon pepper that I had basically got from Taco Mac, and it was so good. So we're going to be go ahead and sprinkling some of that on here as well. And please make sure you rub your seasonings in. You know, make sure it's seasoned well, pat it in there. And then basically go ahead and flip it over and do the same thing on the back. Alright, now our fish is seasoned well enough. If you're wondering how I got my fish to look so colorful, I used some sazon, as you guys know. Next, we're going to be using 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. And then we're going to be using some Louisiana seasoned crispy fish fry. We're going to be adding that into our flour as well. Just about as much as I'm using, okay? And then you want to go ahead and get you some garlic. Of course, you got to get you some garlic. You got to season your batter with some garlic. Of course, some cayenne, some Old Bay. Basically, all the seasonings that we use. And you could add a little bit of onion powder if you want. It's up to you. But you have to season that flour. Okay, that's very important. Let's go ahead and give that a little bit of a whisk. Alright, now y'all, I almost forgot to add some lemon pepper seasoning into my flour because it's going to give it that taste. Alright, now all you got to do is just go ahead and whisk that up and you're pretty much done. Alright, in a separate bowl, go ahead and crack you 1 egg. This is for your egg wash, okay? Because you want this batter to pretty much stick on. You want this thing to be crispy, so you're going to have to get you some egg wash. So you got your flour, you got your egg wash, you got your fish. Now come on, let's dip this thing. So go ahead and dip it. And you're going to have to dip it at least 2 to 3 times. I would say probably 2, you know, don't go overboard. But you want to make sure it's crispy enough. You're going to have to kind of play with it when you get it in that flour because you want the batter to, you know what I'm saying, be crispy but not soggy. So just kind of pay attention to how I'm doing it. I'm just kind of patting it down into it, you know what I'm saying, because don't nobody want no soggy fish sandwich. I know I don't. I need all the crunch I can get. So let's do it like 2 to 3 times to make sure it's crunchy as heck. Now, when you're done doing it 2 to 3 times, it should look somewhat like this with the texture. And that's how you know it's going to be real crispy when you put it in that grease. Alright, next step, we're going to go ahead and get us some vegetable oil in a pan. It could be Crisco, it could be, what's that brand? Oh, dang, I forgot the name. It don't matter. Go ahead and get you some oil in the pan and let the grease get hot and go ahead and drop that fish. And for all of the beginner fish fryers, fish does fry pretty fast. So, you know what I'm saying? You want to have it on high, but not too high. Don't burn the fish now. Ooh-wee. Don't y'all hear that sizzling? Don't y'all hear that? That thing sounds good. Oh, no. Now, why it do me like that? Why did it do me like that? Oh, Lord. It just sounds so good. A little bit of ASMR for you. Now, Popeyes, McDonald's, Wendy's, churches, Captain D's. Ain't none of y'all got nothing on my fish sandwich. And I'm gonna just tell you that right now. I put that Swiss cheese on it, baby. And I put that tartar sauce. Now, this ain't your regular tartar sauce. This is some spiked tartar sauce. It's a little spicy. It's got mustard in it. It's ghetto. But it's good, though. Oh, my God. Look at the cheese. Look at the cheese. If you guys like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. And let me know how it tastes when you try it out.